third rule to find integrating factor. Similarly, fourth rule to find integrating factor. If the differential equation m dx plus n dy equal to 0 is not exact differential equation, and if 1 over n del m over del y minus del m over del x equal to f of x, that is function of x alone, then integrating factor is equal to e raised to power integral f of x dx. If we have a non-exact differential equation and if value of this expression is a function of x alone, then integrating factor will be equal to e raised to power integral of f of x dx. 1 over n del m over del y minus del m over del x will be equal to f of x. Remember, if here we have 1 over n, here we will have function of x. Remember, if we have 1 over n, then here we will have function of x, and this will be the integrating factor. This is n, so here is m. Remember this expression, if value of this one is f of x, then this will be the integrating factor. Now we come to the fourth rule. If the differential equation m dx plus n dy equal to 0 is not exact differential equation, and if 1 over m del n over del x minus del m over del y equal to g of y, that is function of y alone, then integrating factor will be equal to e raised to integral g of y dy. Look, if here is n, here will be m, and here will be n. If here is m, then here will be n. Also look, if we have function m, then here we will have function of y alone. Simply remember, if value of this expression is a function of x, then this will be the integrating factor. If value of this expression is function of y, then this will be the integrating factor. These two rules are the last two rules to find integrating factor for the non-exact differential equation. Now we solve an example by using either rule 3 or rule 4. We will try to solve the differential equation by using rule 3. If it is solvable by this rule, then we will finish the question. In case if the problem is not solvable by rule 3, then we will apply the last rule, that is rule 4. Now we come to the example. Here we have an example, y dx minus y minus 3x minus 3 into dy is equal to 0. This is a differential equation. M is equal to y, this part is equal to m, and del m over del y is equal to 1. Similarly, this part is equal to n, del n over del x will be equal to 3. To differentiate n with respect to x, we will treat y as constant, so derivative of y with respect to x will be 0, derivative of 3 with respect to x will be 0, derivative of 3x with respect to x will be 3. Similarly, derivative of m with respect to y will be 1. Now compare the result. Here we have del n over del x is equal to 3, and here we have del m over del y is equal to 1. Both the values are unequal. Since the necessary condition is not satisfied, hence the differential equation is non-exact differential equation. Now we have to use either rule 3rd or 4th. This is rule 3rd. Now we have to calculate value. This is the expression used in rule 3rd, putting the value. So we n, this is value of n, del m over del y minus del n over del x. Del m over del y is equal to 1, del n over del x is equal to minus 3. If we look to values, del m over del is equal to 1, del n over del is equal to 3, so we put these values. For the putting, simplifying, 2 divided by y is equal to g of y, here. If we put the values here, this is value of n, so this is the result, or this is the value of this expression. this is not a function of x alone. This is neither a function of x nor function of y alone, so we will ignore the third rule to find the integrating factor. In the third rule, we have a function, we have a result which is not a function of either x or y alone, so we will ignore the third rule. Now we take the fourth rule, putting the values here. We have a function of y alone, so the integrating factor will be equal to e raised to integral g of y dy. Putting the value 2 divided by y is value of g, so integral 1 over y is log y, e power log of y square. This e and log will be cancelled, we get y square. This y square is the integrating factor. We will multiply the non-exact differential equation by this integrating factor, multiplying 1 by integrating factor y square. So here we see the multiplication. We have multiplied equation number 1 by y square, so this is the result of multiplication. Now we further simplify this differential equation. This is m dx plus n dy is equal to 0. M dx plus n dy is equal to 0. This is, here we have value of m. Partial derivative of m with respect to y is equal to 3y square. This is value of n. Partial derivative of n with respect to x is equal to 3y square. Since del m over del y is equal to del n over del x, hence equation 2 is exact differential equation. This is equation 2. This is equation 2 obtained as a result of multiplication by the integrating factor y square. So this is an exact differential equation. The solution, the general solution is integral of m dx, where y will be treated as constant, plus integral terms of n with no x, dy is equal to c. Now putting the value of m is equal to this one, those terms from n which do not have x, so these two terms do not have x, so we have chosen them here. Now integral of y cube dx, that is integral of y cube with respect to x, this y cube will be treated as constant, and integral of dx is equal to x. Similarly, integral of 3y square dy is equal to 3y cube over 3 minus integral of y cube dy is equal to y4 over 4 is equal to c. Now simplifying, this is the simplification. Further multiplying both sides by 4, so this is the multiplication, replace 4c by a. So this is the general solution.